Have you ever noticed how a good salary can feel strangely powerless? On paper, the numbers look fine. You earn more than you did a few years ago. But somehow, your savings barely move. Or worse, they move backward. Not because you're irresponsible, not because you don't care about money, but because comfort slowly replaced progress without you realizing it. Let me show you what that looks like in real life. Imagine someone in their late 20s or early 30s living in the US or Europe. They earn the equivalent of around $65,000 a year before tax. After tax, health insurance and basic deductions, maybe $3,800 a month lands in their account. Rent or mortgage takes $1,300. Utilities, internet, phone, another $250. Groceries, transport, small subscriptions, $600. So far, everything feels reasonable. Then comes the car. Not an expensive one, just reliable, comfortable. A $420 monthly payment plus insurance and fuel. There's also a student loan or some leftover credit card balance, another $300. By the time the month is halfway done, over $3,200 is already spoken for. What's left doesn't feel like wealth, it feels like breathing room. And this is where the real problem begins. Because nothing here feels excessive. The apartment isn't luxury, the car isn't flashy, the spending doesn't feel reckless, but comfort has quietly eaten the margin. Now let's do something very simple, not complex investing math, just reality math. That $420 car payment isn't just $420. Over 5 years, it's about $25,000. If that money were simply not committed, not invested brilliantly, just not locked into a depreciating asset, that's $25,000 of flexibility. Add the $300 in rolling debt payments, that's another $18,000 over 5 years. We're already past $40,000, and nothing went wrong. This is the hidden mistake most people make. They build a life that perfectly absorbs their income. Every raise doesn't go into savings. It